I am in Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and in this video I'm doing the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. And it goes right out of Gatlinburg, so let's see all the incredible nature here. This is the cabin. I'm not sure, I think it's a reproduction of the Ogle family cabin. They were the first settlers in the area, the Gatlinburg area. Came from South Carolina. But I know this is the site of their homestead. This is a really cool old Appalachian cabin. Okay, going in to the Ogle cabin. This was, I guess, the fireplace room. And then another room with a fireplace. So one of them would have been the kitchen, and one would have had everything else, since this is a 2-room cabin. Now I see where it was like a conjoined cabin. You can see they're like 2 different buildings, but they were connected with a single chimney. That's interesting. What's interesting about the porch is that it's even on this side, but there's like a 2-foot drop on the other side. So like I'm thinking, like, if they drank too much moonshine and they're trying to get to the outhouse and like they fell off this and died, you know, that could definitely happen. There's a lot of rocks in the ground. That's a barn of the Ogles. Inside the barn, this is the Rainbow Falls Trail, but it's closed right now. I think they're repairing it because of the wildfires around here a couple months ago. This is damage from the forest fire in December 2016. There's still like an amazing view up here. views are so amazing. I think there are some more cabins over this way. I guess this is supposed to be the Roaring Fork. They don't have any placards around, but this looks like another old, around 1800 Appalachian pioneer cabin. I guess this served as a barn function. Usually these types of buildings are larger. I've never seen one small like this. I hate on all the cabins in the park. There's just graffiti everywhere. This is definitely a barn. This is the Ephraim Bales cabin. Kind of looks like all the other ones there along the road. Just empty rooms with a fireplace. What I find interesting on these old cabins is that all of them have this walkway in between rooms. I haven't seen that in pioneer cabins in like the Northwest, for example. It's very rare. There's some other outbuildings. The Roaring Fork comes through here as well. Okay, so that was the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. That was really cool. Alright, bye.